Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to adjust page margin in Google Docs Mobile. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Google Docs and then find the document. And then once that's done, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the very top, just like so. And then in this section, you'll be able to see page setup. Okay, so you're going to want to tap on page setup. And after that, you'll have the option margins. You also have a paper size and orientation right here. So basically tap on margins, and then you can choose from these templates like narrow, default, wide, or custom. Okay, so if you have selected custom, just tap on the numbers, okay, and change it. For example, 24, this one as well, 24, this, 24, lastly, 24 as well. Okay, and then once that's done, just hit on apply and it will be automatically applied. So it says here view changes in print. Well, you got and print it. All right, so that's how simple it is to adjust the page margins in Google Docs Mobile. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.